Ellipal Titan Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Ellipal Titan Wallet app is making waves for being one of the few completely air-gapped hardware wallets, meaning it never connects to the internet. But how does that affect its usability, and is it worth the investment? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, security is where Ellipal truly shines. The Titan is fully isolated from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and dust collections. All transactions are signed using QR codes through its mobile app, keeping your private keys completely offline. This makes remote hacking virtually impossible, a huge advantage for anyone serious about cold storage. The wallet is also built to last. Its solid metal body protects it from physical damage, tampering, and even water exposure. This rugged design sets it apart from plastic competitors and gives it a premium, durable feel. Another major plus is its companion app, which allows you to manage crypto portfolios, track prices, and scan transactions easily. It supports over 10 Zero tokens across multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Smart Chain, and Solana, making it a versatile tool for diversified investors. But what about the drawbacks? While Ellipal's air-gapped approach boosts security, it also limits convenience. You can't connect it via US or Bluetooth, meaning every transaction requires manual scanning with your phone's camera. For frequent traders, that can feel slow or tedious. It's also pricier than many other wallets, often costing over. And because it's proprietary hardware, repairs or firmware updates rely heavily on Ellipal's continued support. In the end, the Ellipal Titan Wallet app offers unmatched protection for long-term holders who prioritize safety over speed. It's perfect for storing large amounts of crypto offline, free from the reach of hackers. If you're someone who believes in true digital independence, the Titan lives up to its name: strong, secure, and built to keep your crypto safe from every angle.